To find the inverse of a function, the first thing that you want to do is rewrite the function but use y in place of f of x. So for f of x equals x plus 1 over x minus 2, this will become y is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 2. And from here, what I really want to remember is that when I go between a function and its inverse, everything with respect to domain and range will switch places. So for us, what that means is up here, if I'm talking about f of x, when I want to start talking about f inverse of x, all I have to do is interchange x with y and y with x. Everything with respect to domain and range will switch places. So on the left-hand side, y was a range value. It becomes the domain value x. And on the right-hand side, all of my x's, which were domain values, become range values, y plus 1 over y minus 2. And now all I have to do is solve for y, and I'll have f inverse. To do that, this is a rational expression, so the first thing that I want to do is multiply both sides by the common denominator, multiply both sides by y minus 2, and I'll have x times y minus 2 is equal to y plus 1. Now I want to get all of my y's on the same side. I'll start by distributing the x on the left-hand side. I'll have xy minus 2x is equal to y plus 1. And then I will add 2x to both sides and subtract y from both sides. That'll get all my variable terms, my y terms on one side, and my other terms on the other. So I'll have xy minus y is 1 plus 2x. The next thing that I want to do is combine my like terms, or in this case, factor the y out of the two terms on the left. I'll have y times x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2x. And then if I divide both sides by x minus 1, I'll end up with y is equal to 1 plus 2x over x minus 1. And now I just need to remember that y is standing in for f inverse. So this is f inverse of x, which will be in descending order 2x plus 1 over x minus 1.